Welcome to Projectventive channel. Please like, share and subscribe. In this video, we will talk about what is Maluuba. Maluuba is an artificial intelligence AI company focused on natural language understanding. Maluuba's AI technology allows humans to communicate with computers, just like talking to another person. Maluuba utilizes deep learning, machine learning, and natural language processing to recognize spoken commands and decipher their meaning in context. Maluuba's AI platform is designed to understand both written and spoken instructions, allowing people to ask for assistance from machines in a conversational manner. Maluuba provides users with a better experience when interacting with machines, as it can quickly and accurately understand commands, questions and answers. As a result, people are able to ask natural language queries to machines and get the information they need more easily than ever before. What is Maluuba specifically used for? Maluuba's AI technology can be applied to different types of applications, such as customer service bots, personal assistant apps, smart home products, and voice-activated search functions. Its core application, which enables human-machine conversation through natural language processing, also has potential applications in automotive industry, medical diagnosis and more. Furthermore, Maluuba also offers its own suite of products such as personal assistant app called MindMeld, customer service chatbot called LingoBot and voice-controlled search engine called KnowledgeBase. With this comprehensive portfolio of products, Maluuba has positioned itself as one of the leading companies in AI-based natural language understanding. How does Maluuba work? Maluuba is an artificial intelligence AI technology that can help you to achieve a smarter, more productive lifestyle. It uses natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning to understand human language, providing assistance with tasks such as scheduling, getting directions, searching for information and making decisions. Maluuba can also be used to automate certain processes in a business setting, helping to save time and money. Maluuba works by combining a variety of natural language processing techniques to understand what users are asking for and to process the response in a meaningful way. In doing so, it helps to reduce the amount of time spent on tasks that require manual effort. It also provides a way for businesses to better understand their customers and automate certain processes such as customer service by leveraging AI and machine learning technologies. Maluuba is able to process requests quickly and accurately, making it an ideal solution for businesses looking to save time and money. The platform can also identify common patterns in user behavior, allowing it to make predictions about what users may need or want in the future. What's more, Maluuba is highly customizable, enabling businesses to tailor its capabilities to suit their specific needs. Thanks to its scalability, companies of all sizes can benefit from using this platform to improve their operations and reach new heights of success. Overall, what is Maluuba? It's a powerful artificial intelligence platform that can make life easier for individuals and organizations alike by automating tasks, enhancing customer relationships and allowing companies to take advantage of data-driven decision-making. The benefits of Maluuba. Maluuba is an artificial intelligence AI platform designed to help businesses and organizations create smarter, more efficient solutions to their problems. Maluuba is designed to think and act like a human mind, utilizing natural language processing, NLP, and deep learning techniques to accurately analyze text and understand context and intent. By leveraging this technology, businesses can access insights, develop solutions, and build better applications with greater accuracy. Maluuba's AI platform has a variety of benefits that allow companies to take full advantage of the technology. For instance, the AI platform enables companies to identify patterns in large datasets more quickly and efficiently than manual methods, allowing them to extract more useful information from the data. Additionally, Maluuba's AI platform allows users to quickly build customized solutions with built-in features such as auto-completion, predictive search, and automated summaries. Furthermore, Maluuba's AI platform provides users with the ability to automate their processes, saving time and money. This automation makes it easier for businesses to focus on other aspects of their operations, such as customer service, marketing, or product development. Additionally, Maluuba's AI platform helps businesses reduce risk and comply with regulations. by providing accurate insights into customer trends and behaviors. Finally, Maluuba's AI platform offers a range of advanced analytics capabilities that allow users to gain a deeper understanding of their customers and their business environment. With these capabilities, users can develop more effective strategies for success and identify potential opportunities or risks before they become reality. This level of insight provides businesses with a significant advantage over competitors in the industry. In summary, Maluuba is an AI platform that can provide businesses with numerous benefits, including improved efficiency, automated processes, advanced analytics, and greater insights into customer behavior. By leveraging Maluuba's AI platform, businesses can gain a competitive edge and achieve higher levels of success. How to use Maluuba. Maluuba is a natural language understanding service that can be used to create smarter, more personalized digital experiences. More personalized digital experiences. With Maluuba, users can input questions or commands in plain English and the system will understand the intent and provide an appropriate response. To use Maluuba, simply create an account on the website and set up your application. Then you can start using the service. Maluuba offers a variety of integrations that can be used to make your user experience more efficient and engaging. For example, you can integrate with the Amazon Alexa platform to allow users to ask questions or give commands using voice recognition. You can also connect with popular messaging apps such as Facebook Messenger and Slack, allowing users to interact with your app directly from those platforms. Once your application is set up, you can start using Maluuba to better understand and respond to user requests. Maluuba has a wide range of features that allow you to customize the responses to user inquiries. For example, you can configure the service to provide specific responses for certain keywords or phrases, or to suggest related topics that might interest the user. Additionally, you can use the natural language processing capabilities of Maluuba to detect sentiment and analyze the content of messages. 1. Language translation. One of the most useful and versatile uses of Maluuba is its language translation capabilities. Maluuba can quickly and accurately translate between multiple languages, including English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, and Chinese. This opens up the potential for users to communicate with people from other countries without having to learn a new language. Maluuba's translation capabilities make it an invaluable tool for international business and travel. Not only does it provide translations for written text but also for spoken audio, making it easier to understand people speaking in another language. With its easy-to-use interface, Maluuba is the perfect way to bridge the language barrier. In addition to its language translation functions, there are many more amazing uses of Maluuba. The technology allows users to control their phones hands-free by using voice commands instead of tapping buttons or touching the screen. It can be used to ask questions or search for information on any topic imaginable. Users can even have conversations with their phones using natural language processing. Moreover, Maluuba understands context, so when asking questions about it already knows, it will provide more accurate results. Finally, Maluuba is able to offer natural voice recognition so that you never have to repeat yourself twice when dictating messages or searching for something on your device. It's clear that Maluuba has many incredible uses which make our lives simpler and more efficient. 2. Image captioning. One of the most impressive uses of Maluuba is its ability to generate captions for images. This AI-powered feature can be used in a variety of ways, from providing alternative captions for existing images to automatically creating descriptions for pictures. With Maluuba's advanced algorithms, images can be accurately analyzed and captioned with little human intervention. The technology uses a combination of natural language processing, image recognition, and machine learning to analyze an image and generate a text description for it. This allows users to quickly generate a short description of any given image, which can be used in various applications. For example, it could be used to provide alternate captions for images used in blog posts or advertisements, or even to automatically generate descriptions for photo albums on social media sites. By leveraging the power of AI and machine learning, Maluuba's image captioning feature is able to accurately describe an image without the need for manual labor. This makes it an incredibly useful tool for anyone looking to quickly generate captions for their images. Other uses of Maluuba include speech recognition, voice commands, and text classification. by combining natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning. Additionally, using deep neural networks, Maluuba can classify documents into categories based on their content. For example, if you have thousands of documents about cars, Maluuba will be able to quickly identify common topics between them and classify them accordingly. Finally, Maluuba also provides sentiment analysis capabilities by analyzing text for sentiment, positive, negative, neutral, based on its context and the words used. This type of analysis can be used to determine customer sentiment toward specific products or services as well as trends in customer feedback over time. All these uses combined make Maluuba one of the most powerful AI technologies available today. 3. Text compression. One of the lesser-known uses of Maluuba is its ability to compress large text documents. Compressing a text document can help reduce its size and make it easier to store or transmit. Using Maluuba's natural language processing capabilities, users can compress large texts without losing any of their meaning. The result is a text document that is smaller but still contains all the same information as the original document. This is especially useful for large pieces of text that need to be quickly transmitted or stored, such as legal documents, online articles, and software manuals. Maluuba's text compression feature is just one of many reasons why it stands out from other natural language processing tools. Maluuba's artificial intelligence, AI, technologies have applications in almost every sector, making it an invaluable tool for businesses and developers alike. Maluuba's AI platform can be used to automatically generate web page summaries from long web pages. This makes it easier for readers to quickly get an overview of a web page, reducing the time they spend looking through all the information presented on it. 4. Speech recognition. One of the most useful and interesting uses of Maluuba is its speech recognition capabilities. Maluuba's natural language processing technology has enabled it to recognize spoken language and use it to interact with other applications. It can recognize different languages, accents, and even regional dialects. With this technology, Maluuba can be used for real-time voice-based interactions with a wide range of applications, including virtual assistants, customer service chatbots, and voice-enabled search engines. 5. Maluuba's API. Maluuba provides a powerful set of APIs to developers, allowing them to create applications that leverage the natural language processing and machine learning technology underlying Maluuba. The uses of Maluuba's API are vast, with applications ranging from voice search and natural language understanding to image captioning and text compression. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.